Hello Tiny Tellers and welcome back indeed. So I have landed myself back in Pleasure Beach for the last time of this year. So I have popped into the back end of the Pleasure Beach, and where, as you can see, their lovely icon, big one, is all up there, steeplechase and all that stuff. But I am not here for that. I am here for the update of Red Arrow. So the Red Arrow's Skyforce, so the Royal Skyforce machine. So we've seen a few weeks ago that they've been starting to put rides back on, the seats back on, and anything like that. But if I look towards you, as the guys are basically think, they are currently putting everything back on. So are they? So the news is actually are they getting it back up and running, and has they extended the IP? So has the IP license extended for another 5 years, another 10 years? No one really quite knows just yet, but it looks like they've got all the seats on, they've got all the panels, side panels on every single ride. Outside there's a guy that's currently just doing maintenance over there as well. So it looks like they are getting it back, getting it back up of the area and that. So it does look promising. I don't know if they're basically just building it up for a show and tell for a buyer or an investor to basically make the purchase of this ride, to make the purchase of this ride. So I'm not quite sure if it is going to be like that. Hey, there goes Icon. Gotta love that ride. So yeah, are they going to basically just build it up just for a show and tell, just to show the investors, so they can buy it and ship it to a different theme park or leisure centre or anything like that? You gotta love people when they scream an Icon, honestly. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see if Red Arrow's Skyforce is gonna be back up and running for good, because a lot of people did kind of miss it, and they didn't at the same time. It was a love and hate relationship between the Red Force Arrow ride, but it is kind of good to see that it is actually back and building and that, and it's up, it's full glory. I was gonna get a quick closer look of it. As you can see, it is all a bit there. It's all there, getting real built up. Looks like every single seats are basically on. It's kind of gridlocked and chained, so you can't really move. So anyone basically tries to, they're gonna get unavailable to do it and that. And the maintenance guy is basically getting it all up and running and that. So it's actually good to see that if it has got has been given an extension for the IP license of Skyforce Red Arrows, because it's a good ride. I've never been on it personally, so I can't really put a judgment or a book judge a book by its cover on that ride, because I've never been on it. But I've heard by readers, guys, it is a good ride. Is a good ride. Some people love it, some people don't like it. I'd say it's like a Marmite situation. It's rather do or you don't. By looks of it in here, though, they've not done much in here, because it used to be where all the merchandise for Skyforce is. But they've got the rest of it in there. It's just mostly just climbing stuff like for walk the big one, XL and all that stuff, and that. So this is just a quick short video of basically a delayed one and that. Share your thoughts down below in the comments. What is it? Is Skyforce here to stay? Have they extended the IP license for another 10 years? Nobody knows, nobody thinks, but it's good to see that the maintenance crew are basically putting everything back and building it to its high glory. And if we do manage to see the ride up and going, it's going to be a bonus to it. Share your thoughts, because I'll love to see this ride up and going and have a go in shot of it and that. So without further ado, guys, I shall leave you in the next comment. Like, subscribe, comment, share your thoughts down below about the Red Force. I'm struggling to speak now about the Red Arrow's Skyforce ride, because it's good to see your opinions and all that stuff. Without further ado, see you next live stream. See you in live stream content wherever you are. I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.